Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix if WhatsApp is not working properly on your phone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll have to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and you will have to search for WhatsApp and then open it. Now I will tell you two ways to fix this problem. The first one is to simply tap on update and WhatsApp will be updated to the latest version, which will fix all the bugs and glitches that are happening in your WhatsApp app. But it's still if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can do one more thing. You can go to settings of your iPhone and then tap on general and then iPhone storage, and if you're on iPhone, go to app section and look for WhatsApp and then tap on WhatsApp and then tap on offload and then offload app and then reinstall it. And if you're on an Android, clear the cache of WhatsApp and then clear data and then uninstall it and then go to Google Play Store and then reinstall your app, and your problem will be fixed because your app will be force updated to the latest version and you'll be able to solve your problem. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions